So let's talk about Unity Software, which trades under the ticker code U. Unity went public on September 18, 2020 with a market capitalization of roughly $20 billion and a share price of around $73 per share. ARK Invest gradually averaged up until Unity represented around 1% of their actively managed dollars during the initial rally over the holidays. They began aggressively buying up on stock after its price collapsed in the first week of February. Cathie Wood now owns 2.57% of Unity Software through ARK, ARKQ, ARKW, ARKX, making it ARK Invest's 10th largest stake overall. Cathie Wood has boosted her holding in Unity Software by more than 10% since their latest 13F filing. That, to me, speaks volumes about Cathie Wood's faith in Unity Software. So, I would like to talk about Unity Software, how it fits into this bigger picture, and some of the things that make it a unique competitor and investment. But first, if this is your first time here at the Smart Stocks Academy channel, please accept my warmest greetings. To be the first to know when a new video like this is released, subscribe to our Smart Stocks Academy channel and click the notification bell next to it. So if you're ready, let's get to the video. Unity Software now enables developers to create 2D and 3D interactive experiences across a wide range of platforms, including PCs, Macs, consoles, and mobile devices. Right now, their core audience is game makers, but as I'll show you in a moment, they are expanding their development ecosystem to include far more than video games. Unity's platform focuses on decreasing the barrier to entry for creating these visual experiences, similar to how Shopify lowers the barrier to entry for starting an online business. Unity and Shopify both eliminate the need to learn how to code in order to compete in their respective marketplaces. In the case of Unity, this implies those artists, storytellers, and other sorts of content creators may start bringing their vision to life much sooner rather than having to master a skill that is extremely different from what they already know. Unity's business model and tools are also extremely scalable. Unity may be used by everyone from a large studio working on multiplayer games that require strong machines to individual developers working on a simple mobile app. Unity Software's business, in my opinion, falls into three segments. Create Solutions is the first one. Developers, artists, designers, engineers, and architects use these technologies to create the real 2D or 3D content. Unity's core features, which include the development platform and visual scripting tools that allow producers to start developing content without having to code, are offered for free to smaller developers. Operate Solutions is the second category of Unity's features. These are all the elements that go into running a game that aren't necessarily part of the main gameplay loop. This includes things like hosting multiplayer games and allowing players to communicate via voice chat. This includes tools that assist content creators in monetizing their work through advertisements or in-app purchases. Unity has its own mobile advertising platform and auction system, Unity Ads, which anyone can use to compete directly with Google's ad services in that sector. Unity uses a revenue sharing model, in which they take a 5% share of the client's revenue after it exceeds a set threshold. Unity's revenue growth is exactly proportional to the revenue growth of their successful clients, keeping their incentives aligned with their customers, and that appeals to me. Unity's platform follows a develop once, deploy everywhere strategy, allowing developers to deploy their work across platforms such as PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, Mac OS, and iOS, Android, and Windows. According to their estimates, Unity solutions have been used to create more than half of the top 1,000 mobile games on Apple's App Store and Google Play. Additionally, its platform has been used to create nearly 60% of all AR and VR content, including viral mobile experiences like Pokemon Go. In fact, the Unity engine is used to create over 90% of the content on developing AR platforms. Later in this video, I'll return to this 90% figure. Unity's Provide Solutions, Operate Solutions, and Platform Partnerships all work together to create an end-to-end solution that is difficult for other visualization engines to reproduce, giving it a significant moat. They continue to invest in expanding their platforms to serve industries such as architectural and engineering, 3D design, automobile design, and 3D film and animation production. Consider real estate applications, in which you wish to place furniture in a property to stage a virtual walkthrough and can rearrange the house in an endless number of ways with the click of a button, or even completely randomize the layout. This concept of low-code virtual environment and digital twin generation leads us right into Unity Software's future vision, which I believe has two aspects. The first aspect is simple. They will continue to reinvest in their create solutions, operate solutions, and strategic partnerships in order to scale with the mobile gaming business and expand their customer base into other industries. Second portion of Unity's future, at least for me, is the most exciting. Unity Software is in a strong position to become the virtual world development platform. This is not a pipe dream in my opinion. Well, okay, I get it. You believe the Metaverse is this weird concept that a few gaming companies are promoting to get more people interested in virtual and augmented reality goods that are still decades away from being a reality. I am a big fan of the Metaverse, and so is ARK Invest. I'll conclude up by showing you ARK Invest's overall market view. The third great idea according to ARK Invest's Big Ideas report was virtual worlds. Virtual worlds are still in their infancy, but ARK research suggests that profits might climb at a 17% compound annual growth rate over the next 5 years. This metaverse will be the conclusion of all these virtual universes. Gaming revenue has shifted toward in-game sales during the previous 10 years. According to ARK, in-game transactions might account for 95% of worldwide gaming income by 2025. Currently, this is mostly accomplished through microtransactions in mobile games. But the apparent inference is that this will also apply to virtual goods, services, and assets within the metaverse. ARK Invest also expects that over the next 5 years, the average amount of time spent playing video games will climb by more than 30%, significantly compounding in-game earnings. More time spent playing means more money spent. That's what's driving their bull case's exponential increase in virtual gaming income. Market leaders such as Snapchat, Apple, and of course Facebook are heavily investing in augmented reality, encouraging widespread use of AR tools on existing mobile devices, as well as consumer-grade AR glasses, such as Snapchat Spectacles, which are currently a hardware platform built for creators looking to push the boundaries of immersive augmented reality experiences. As a result of items like this, the whole AR market could expand from around $1 billion today to $130 billion by 2030, representing a compound annual growth rate of more than 60% over the next decade. After AR, VR is the next step. Based on the decreasing cost of VR headgear and immersive software such as Facebook's Oculus products, ARK Invest expects the mass market goods with complete visual immersion would reach smartphone-like usage in 2030. Even if they are off 5 years, we are talking about getting ahead of an industry the size of today's smartphones. Remember how I claimed the Unity engine is used to create 90% of the content on emerging AR platforms? Well, Unity Software currently has the upper hand in this rapidly expanding market. I believe Unity is now the superior and safer long-term investment for producing experiences for mobile, augmented reality, and virtual reality platforms. Leave your thoughts on Unity Software current business and what do you think about augmented reality, virtual reality, and the metaverse in the comment section down below. And with that, the video for today is over. If you haven't already, hit the like button below to show your love and support for this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell right next to it to be the first to know when a new video is posted. Thank you for stopping by to watch and we hope you had a great time. We hope to see you again soon.